Came through the finish line. Whew. Another victory of the day.
I won.
I'm not even breathing hard, you know? I can still do the interview. It was okay, you know? Pretty easy competition, but... from a beautiful day here in Krakow, Poland. As you guys can see here in the square, it's about 11 o'clock. Square is full. The reason why I say if you guys are here, you guys got to come early in the mornings. Not but at the same time, it's still beautiful for me to walk through every day before starting the day. But once again, heading down to Jewish quarters, as I say, is probably one of my more favorite parts because it's more quiet, more calm, a lot to do. And when you kind of have work to do, staying here in this busy place, not the greatest idea, but at the same time, yeah, it's still nice to walk through. And it's the biggest square in Europe. I'm not sure if I told you guys that before. Little word of advice, if you guys are in Krakow, do not do this. Do not park. Do not park on this street. Do not park. Do not park on this street. They got everybody. They got everybody. They got everybody on the entire street.
In New York,
goodness. Do not park here if you guys come to Krakow. Don't park on this street. Do not do it. Do not do it. Okay, so this is like 2 hours later. I have no idea what's going on with the weather, but I have a feeling today might be an inside day. And I totally forgot, I forgot to mention in the vlog that one of my friends, I actually have a friend that's actually coming here to Krakow today, and we had a lot of things to do outside, but I think that's all gonna change. But they're gonna see as soon as they get off the train. They're gonna see when they get off the train, but they should be here soon. But I hope they're ready ready for this weather. Well, I guess that's one way to clear out the square of the tourists. Yeah, really. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, this is nice actually. This is a better scene. Okay, so yeah, met up with my friend. We are supposed to be trying to go somewhere out of the rain. You said it was gonna stop in 30 minutes. It's been
25.
Yeah, okay.
Stop in 5.
Yeah, in 5 minutes the rain will stop, so we're gonna go out probably and just enjoy the sun that will be out in 5 minutes. Perfect.
Sunbathing. And
okay, you can introduce yourself if you want to.
No.
No?
No.
No introduction. No introduction.
It's hard for me to keep the umbrella so high.
Why? You're like tall. She's like the same height as me. Yeah, and now the goal with this weather like this, I have no idea what we're doing. Where are we going? Do you know where? We're struck by lightning. Yeah, so now we're just trying to find a place, I guess, to go inside somewhere until it stops. Okay, so I found a solution actually to get rid of all the tourists here. It just has to rain. There's nobody sitting here, and it's 3 or 4 p.m. This would never happen. This can never happen except when it rains. That's the key. That is the key. Now we're trying to find some healthy food at this one place that you guys all recommend in the comments. I'm finally going there if we can find it. That's all you got?
Yeah, it was funny. I asked them, what is the smallest? And you asked them, what is the biggest?
They're like the same height as me. This is all they have.
Not hungry.
Fries are always better off of someone else's plate. That's the name of the place. Can you guys hear the horn? I've been here like 5 days and I've heard that at least 100 times. I can sing it myself. I know it by heart now.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a joke. This is a funny person here. You got a funny person.
Wanna compete?
I asked her if she wanted to go up or down. No. Another victory of the day.
I won.
I'm not even breathing hard, you know? I can still do the interview. It was okay, you know? Pretty easy competition, but okay, so right now, finally in the castle. I'm taking we're going on a walk. She shouldn't be actually walking with me right now because this is more of like a victory lap from winning, running up here. It's more of like a victory lap, but I'm a nice winner. So I'll share the victory lap with you. Those people have way too much energy, you know, and they're like, we should walk around there. And so I just sent them off like, hey, just go run and see. Look, they're running. They're running. They're running. Oh no, I didn't have to walk that far. Okay. Okay. There are no stairs, but it's nice. Yeah, I know you guys have seen this in the vlog, but it's just going for a walk. It's an inside day, but we're trying to turn it into an outside day. And I have an umbrella, so I'm good. You good? And so crazy, it's been raining and everything, and now we finally found a place. I have a warm drink, just a smoothie, and now the sun is coming out. I don't get it! Well, this is like a couple hours later. The sun is out. It's warm outside. Like it never was raining. Though my feet and everything are soaking wet. Back in here in Drew's quarters, trying to find, just chilling today. One of those days where it's chilling. and kind of loading my brain with a lot of knowledge. You know, my friend, they have been kind of everywhere as well, kind of like me. So it's kind of always awesome to try to always connect with people that have different experiences from you, kind of changing your perspective, you know? Yeah, it's really important, isn't it? Yeah?
See.
Yeah, and now just kind of exploring the Jewish quarters again. Whoa, whoa. It's what? But
It's like that, from right to the left.
we're just kind of walking around discovering places now. Okay, so we've just discovered this really cool place. I'll try to tell you the names if I can, and there's like a whole bunch of gardens here as well. And they have one garden right here in the back. And there's like nobody here, and it's so quiet. I'm not sure where, oh, there they are. This place is nice. You have to come check it out. All right, we'll take one of these. Me, I'm from America.
America?
Yeah, and you?
From Krakow.
Really? But you have an accent, like from me, UK?
Yeah, we just came back from UK.
Ah, I can hear it, man. I can hear it.
Come on, faster. Record faster.
It's gonna be in slow motion. You're gonna look crazy. You're gonna be in slow motion and look like some psycho. What's the name of this place? Okay, so we're finished. This is the name of the place. You guys definitely have to come check that out. And now I think we're gonna, I don't know, probably walk around the Jewish quarters. I feel like maybe now is a good time to end the vlog. It's dark, cold. I've been eaten up by mosquitoes. Here's the name of the place. This place. Is this it? Right? Yeah. If you guys see this, the place is on the other side of the wall. So you just gotta go over the wall. It's, yeah, jump, run, whatever you want. But yeah, that's kind of it. Gonna probably end the vlog right here in front of the place. It's just over there, and I'll talk to you guys all later. Thank you for joining me. Yeah, kind of one of those days. I had a lot more planned to do outside, but with the weather like this, it's just, yeah, the summers in Poland can be a little bit tough. But thank you guys for sticking around, and I'll speak to you guys all later. And everyone, you want to say bye? Bye. Yes, thank you guys for sticking around, and I'll speak to you guys all. Hopefully tomorrow the weather will be better. I'm hoping it'll be better. I'll speak to you guys all later, and everyone always remember to work hard, be brave. Don't forget to smile.